Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip Essential Bluetooth speaker. So the problem in this speaker is crackling sound and I got this from Jammu and Kashmir. So in this video I am going to show you how to identify which driver is giving crackling sound and how to fix this. And even spares is available for sale here in this channel AudioViz 360. So alright, let me show you the problem exactly here. So turning on the speaker here. Pressing the Bluetooth button to pair, just opening the Bluetooth page in this smart device and clicking refresh. You can see JBL Flip Essential is there. I'm just clicking that, pairing here. So alright, it has been connected now. So let me play the song here. So to show the crackling sound. So this is the crackling sound. So let me open the grill and let's identify which driver is having crackling sound problem. So without wasting any time, just I'm going to pry from here, just lifting like this, it will open. And similarly this side, I'm going to insert here and lift. That's it. So mesh has been opened now. So to identify which driver is crackling, we have to just hold for a second like this. Just we have to press it while playing the song. You should not hold it for a long time. Just to identify, we have to keep the hand for 1 or 2 seconds so that the crackling sound will stop in case the crackling sound is coming from this driver. And if we hold like this, crackling sound will further come in this driver. And similarly, if we close this, crackling sound will stop from this driver. And this driver, if it is good, sound will be very clear. If the crackling sound comes in this driver as well, that means both drivers is having crackling sound problem. So that is the basic step to identify the crackling sound issue. So if you have crackling sound issue, we have to replace the driver. So let's identify which speaker is giving crackling sound in this case. So I'm playing the song here from first. So this has less crackling sound compared to this, I think. So let's play the song again and see whether this gives crackling sound or not. So this has much more crackling sound issue. So in this case we have to replace both the drivers. So I'm going to use this JBL drivers. This is JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers driver, not essentials, but this is compatible. So this is 8 watt RMS and this is also 8 watt RMS. Size and dimensions, everything is same. Just we have to replace it. Just we have to remove this plastic. I will show you how to replace the driver here. So let me show you this. So this is the driver I am going to use and this is the Flip 3 speaker. So the basic difference is this is essential and this is Flip 3. This is also Flip 3, but this is essential and this is Flip 3 full version Bluetooth speaker. The difference is this essential doesn't have mic, but this Flip 3 has mic, and this essential doesn't have JBL connect button here, but this Flip 3 has JBL connect button here. That is the basic difference. So these drivers which I am going to use here in this case, this driver belongs to this Flip 3 full version Bluetooth speaker with JBL connect and mic. Rest everything is same. So I am going to install this driver in this speaker. So even if you want to buy these speaker drivers, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So if you can identify the crackling sound problem in your driver, you can replace it. It is very easy. I am going to show you how to replace the drivers here as well. If you are not comfortable replacing this, then you can send it to me here in Bangalore. I am located here in Bangalore. You can courier it to me. I can replace behalf of you. And after fixing, I will ship it back to your address. So alright, now let's replace the driver. So now I am going to turn off the speaker here. And let's open the speaker here. Just 4 screws we have to remove. So 4 screws has been removed. This speaker will come out very easily. Just we have to desolder these 2 wires to install this fresh speaker. So the main difference in the speaker is this has 2 terminals here, plus and minus, and the center one is body here. That is the common body of the speaker, which it is of no use. But in Flip 3 full version, this is the Flip 3 full version speaker. This center speaker has body connection. So in this case, we should not use any wire. So we can left this center terminal without connecting any wires. Just we have to take the plus wire and install it in plus, and minus wire install it in minus. That's it. And one more difference is this speaker has holes here just to position it. This is the placeholder, but in this Flip 3 full version driver there is no hole, so we have to simply cut this using blade. Two plastic piece will be there. Let me show you in close up. It's a small plastic thing, just we have to cut it using knife. That's it. We can connect the wires and simply install it. That's it. Driver specifications are 100% same. So alright, without wasting any time, let me install this. And one more thing, you can see there is a cushion here in this speaker, but in this speaker cushion is not there because cushion is already there in this speaker which is fixed internally. So simply I am going to remove this. That's it. This is of no use because cushion is there already. Now simply we have to desolder this. That's it. So here the black with white color is plus and complete black is minus here. So alright, let me keep this problematic speaker separately, and I have to just cut this part here. So let me cut it in front of you itself. Let me show you in a close up. It's very simple, just it's a simple knife here, and I'm going to keep this flat as possible, and just I'm going to cut like this. You can see. That's it. So it is flat. Make sure it is flat. If it is not flat, then make it flat using this. That's it. And similarly one more side here. Make sure you are not going to harm yourself because knife is very sharp. That's it. So I'm going to just take this off. That's it. Both sides has been taken out. So this is the small plastic part which I have taken. So it doesn't mean that after removing this actual speaker will not fit. That is just a placeholder. That's it. So even if you want to fix this same speaker, you can fix it, no problem. So now I am going to fix this. Make sure that use this air seal. Without this, crackling sound will come. So make sure it is inside like this while installing this speaker driver. So let me just simply connect this. So alright, speaker wire has been installed. Center terminal you have to leave it without using. Make sure the air seal is there. This is the air seal, and simply we have to install this. You can see how perfectly it is fitting. Just I have to install these 4 screws. So let me install it and come here. So all 4 screws has been installed. So perfect fit. So again we have to replace this driver here as well. So let me replace that. Just taking out these 4 screws. So now I am going to take out the speaker. Now just we have to take out the wires here like this. That's it. Make sure you keep this air seal carefully. So now let me take out these 2 plastics. That's it. So this one I have removed. Now this side. So make sure you have leveled it. Alright, now simply I am going to install the drivers. So alright, I have installed the black with white in plus, and the complete black is minus. Center one is not connected, not required. So this air seal is important. Make sure it is kept properly in this place, and simply we have to install the speaker. And I am going to install these 4 screws here, and I will come back. So both speakers has been installed. So this is the old drivers. Let's connect these 2 smart devices and have a demo. So now it's time to just turn on the speaker before closing the mesh. So now I am going to play the song here. So it should get connected now. Yes, now it is connected. So let me play the song.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So there is no crackling sound whatsoever. So speaker has been perfectly fixed. So that is because of this original JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers driver, and this is for sale here. So this is the old driver which I have removed from the speaker, so I'm keeping this separately. So these are the actual speakers which is for sale here. Even if you can buy it from me just by messaging to this WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore, so it can be shipped to any part of India, any village or any town, that is fine. It can be shipped through speed post courier. So these drivers are very rare, original. This is 100% original JBL Flip 3 driver. Generally only available here in AudioViz 360. There might be copy drivers, but that will not work as expected. This will sound as good as brand new speakers now, because the drivers are original JBL Flip 3s. So alright, if you don't know how to replace it, you can send it to me. I am located here in Bangalore. Just do message and tell me your problem. I can guide you. So alright, that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.